Hello and welcome to today's lesson on perimeter. We want to look at how to find the perimeter of some plane shapes. Perimeter is a path that surrounds a shape. It can also be the length of the outline of the shape. Now, if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, all we want to do is to go around the shape. Okay, we want to find the outline or the length of the outline of the shape. Okay, so when I move from here to here, from here to here, right, from here to here, and then from here to here, right, that's going to give me the outline of the shape. So when we are able to find the length of this outline, that is going to give us the perimeter. Now similarly, if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, we are going to do the same thing. It means that I'm going to move around this shape. So we are moving around the shape, okay, and that is what is going to give us the perimeter, the distance around the shape. That is what is giving us the perimeter, okay. So the length of this outline is what is going to give us the perimeter, okay. So we can do the same thing to this shape too. So basically we are saying that the perimeter is a path round a shape, okay, the path around the shape or the distance around the shape. Or we can also say that it is the length of the outline of a shape. Now we are going to look at how or ways by which we can find the perimeter of these shapes that we have. Now before we proceed, you did a similar exercise yesterday where you were asked to find or measure the length of some plane shapes and then find their perimeter. But this one is quite different. In this exercise, we are not using a ruler. We are not using a ruler. We are given a scale. And then when you look at the bottom part of your book, you can see the scale there. Now, the scale is such that each square you see here has a side of 1 centimeter. What it means is that now when you take this square, it has a length of 1 centimeter, which means that it has all the sides to be 1 centimeter, because a square is a 2D shape which has all the sides equal. So we are going to use these squares to find the perimeter of these shapes. So let's move on and see how it's going to be like. Now I can find the perimeter of this shape in two different ways. The first one is to move step by step and then go around the whole shape, okay, and this is what I mean. So I'll start from here. Don't forget that the side of each square is 1 centimeter, okay, so that's what I'm going to use. So from this point to this point is 1 centimeter, another 1 centimeter, another 1 centimeter, making 3 centimeters. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it means that the perimeter of this particular shape is 14 centimeters, right? So the distance around this plane shape is 14 centimeters. Now we can do this in a different way. This time around, I want to find the distance between this point and that point. Now this point and this point, this point and this point, and then from this point to this point, okay. So let's look at how to do that. Now, so the same way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here. Now each length or each side of this square is 1 centimeter. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, I mean that is going to give us 1 times 4, which is 4 centimeters, okay. Now do the same thing here, 1, 2, 3, so 3 centimeters, because we have 3 squares there. Now do the same thing here, we're going to get 4 centimeters, and don't forget that this shape is a rectangle, and a rectangle has a rectangle has the opposite side to be equal. So it means this side is equal to this side, and this side is also equal to this side. So if this side is 3 centimeters, then definitely this side will also be 3 centimeters. Okay, now so we have the dimensions now. So all we are going to do is to add them up. Okay, so I have 4 centimeters here plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters and then plus 3 centimeters. Okay, plus 3 centimeters. I decided to go clockwise, right, forward. You can decide to go anti-clockwise or backwards. You will get the same answer. Now, so you have 4 plus 3, which is 7. So you have 7 centimeters plus another 4 plus 3, which is also 7 centimeters. And then that is going to give us 14 centimeters. So which means that the perimeter of this particular plane shape is 14 centimeters. Okay, so that is the other way to find the perimeter. Now let's look at how to find the perimeter of this other shape, and we are going to use the same method, okay, the same procedure. So as I said, I can decide to move step by step, okay, and then go around the shape. So doing that, I'll get from this point to this point is 1 centimeter. So 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 13 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 19 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 21 centimeters, 22 centimeters, 23 centimeters, 24 centimeters, 25 centimeters, and then 26 centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape is 26 centimeters. So that is the first way to do it. Now let's look at the other way to go over this. So I want to move from this point to this point. So I'll find the distance between this point and that point. The distance from this point to this point. Then from this point to this point. Like that, in that order. Okay. So I'm going to find the length of these sides. Now, so we said that we are using the squares, and each of the squares here have a length or a side of 1 centimeter. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to use to find the perimeter of this plane shape. So how many squares do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 squares. Okay, so we have 6 times 1 centimeter, and that should give me 6 centimeters. Okay, now do the same thing here. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 times 7 will give me 7 centimeters, because each square has a length of 1 centimeter. So that's what we are using. Now this one has 2 squares, which is going to give us 2 centimeters. This one has 3 squares, so it gives us 3 centimeters. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares there, so that gives us 4 centimeters. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 centimeters. Good. Now, so from this, we can easily find the perimeter of this shape. And how do we do that? We are going to add everything here we have. So I'm starting from this side again. I want to go clockwise. So I have 6 centimeters here, plus next one is what? Next one is 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters. Then plus 2 centimeters. Plus 3 centimeters. Then we have plus 4 centimeters. And then we have another plus 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, so from here, we'll just find the total. So I want to go 6 plus 7, which is 13 centimeters. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is another 13. So we have plus 13 again. Okay. So plus 13 again. So we have doubles. So 13 plus 13 is going to give us 26. And don't always forget your unit, 26 centimeters. It's very, very important. Okay. So I hope at this point you can find the perimeter of this shape. Okay. So I want you to do that by yourself and then send your answers to me. I hope it is clear now. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to call me for me to explain further. Thank you very much, and then stay safe. We'll meet again. Bye bye.